Hey Hoosiers, guess what time it is?
Midterm time.
We're here to help you nail that midterm you have coming up, whether it's writing focused, math focused, biology focused, or all of the above.
So if you don't know about the resources available for you at IU, keep watching.
Hi there. We are in the Briscoe Academic and Career Success Hub here in the center building of the Briscoe Quad. There are 3 academic support centers across campus, one here in Briscoe, one in Teeter Quad, and one in Forest Quad. We are open for evening tutoring Sunday through Thursday from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. At the Academic Support Center, you can get tutoring help in the evening in a variety of different courses. Introductory math courses, writing from any class or discipline. During the day, each of the Academic Support Center locations in the main area are open for students to meet with each other, work on projects together, a quiet study time.
Hi, my name is Ria. I'm a senior and I'm a tutor at Writing Tutorial Services here on the first floor of Wells Library. We also tutor in the dorms and in the cultural centers. We are a free writing service for all students enrolled at IU. We tutor all classes of all levels, and we also tutor things like resumes, cover letters, personal statements, anything that you could be writing. And we also help at any phase in the writing process, which means you could have a full draft or just thoughts, and we will help you through that. Especially during midterms, W2S is a really great place to visit. It's a 1 hour long appointment. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Hi, I'm Mitchell. I'm a math tutor at the Math Learning Center. We're here in Swain East, room 340. We help lower level math classes, so anything up to about math, Calculus 119. And no matter what class you are, you're welcome to come in. It's free tutoring. We help with your class. We encourage people to come in as groups so you can work with each other and we can help you bounce ideas off of each other. You can find our hours online at the math department's website. You don't need to make an appointment. You can just walk in and we'll help you. We're open from 10 to 5, and at 5 we offer a specialized calculus session.